Kartel and Spice Bust Big Kiss on stage. They're bass not going over there.
When you see me and move my work, I think please the crowd, entertainment.
The last song where Alkaline drop, wait there. Last. When I go say blacklisted, it last. The song last.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out the channel, we just ask you for subscribe. Thanks in advance. Alright, so in this episode, we kick it off with Capitan, the fireman. You see the general of the whole place in a Guadalupe, Bundong. Yeah, man, that was a Father's Day concert over there in a Guadalupe with the fireman sold out show. You have the whole place a jump on a rock. And not with normal people is a good look. Also, in this episode, we have one Kevin a come out and a blaze of fire upon Alkaline. Yeah, man, the G Alkaline wicked one night time, you know, people. We're going to hear us and check out the reason there. Also, we have Neako Fire drop him 2 cents on the Spice and the Vybz Kartel kiss go up on stage, people. Yeah, man, if you never see it, go on, you know. We have Neako Fire come out and I make a little talk about it and I say, oh, I first call it. So we're going to check it out and hear my deed, you know. Yeah, man, but we're going to kick it off with one Kevin first and hear my reason. Go through my G.
People have been asked this question. Who are the second person where I run dancehall right now? Why you no keep on bypassing Spice? Why? Cause you're a woman? You don't want to give her the credit there? You don't feel that Spice is right behind Addy? I believe that Spice is right behind Addy. And Popcorn. Who want to say Alkaline? Who say what you want to say? What shows have Alkaline did for this year, since this whole year start? How much sure? Count per one and how much sure Alkaline did since this year start? How much sure Spice depend since that year start? And tell me say Adia make she did it. Cause she have all her own show them too. Yeah, we're going to count show now. Let's count shows. How much show Spice have with all herself? Still count bypass evil Alkaline. What are you going to say? What? Wanna stop match up, man. Wanna stop trying match up Alkaline with Addy. Because the Spice are the second. Right now, me can't tell you that. You understand? In other league, they wanna go talk about Spice are gonna be second. Cause Spice the part everyone at Addy show them. So she affid the pan top. And Alkaline do what? 2 show? Sons and the one at England. A 2 show me think him do for the whole year so far. On a match. Where the match there? Where the match there? How can you match Alkaline with a Addy? Brother, go on with Massacre. Take Massacre and go on with Massacre. The people them tell you say, a Massacre you figure war, go war Massacre. Cause you not reach up to Addy level yet. Addy level where Addy there right now. You not reach there so yet. You not try to size it up, but it now work, brother. You hear Addy son say? Man of the maths like Jordan. You can't match up Addy with Alkaline because Alkaline they're far behind. Way far lost to Addy. Yeah, oh, you have to mention Alkaline every time you say Addy. You use that so Alkaline can stay relevant. That's what you use for Alkaline stay relevant. Alkaline now don't have a good hit song right now for the area. And this I want to need to go. As Alkaline supporters, you go push the song them more than how push the war between we out here so. Where I say who bigger than who. Go push the song them. You not like the song them. You not comment on the song them. You not push the song them. All the song them are going to go out. You not take time and do the wrong thing. As supporters, go push the song them when the artists them drop. The artists them a drop song, but them not gonna away. The last song where Alkaline drop, wait there. Last. When I go say blacklisted, it last. The song last. The song before that, wait there. Last. Brother, I know see say the song them nah get no credit out here. On a blind, you need to go push the artists them songs. The time on a dip on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all of them, so you go push the artists them on a love song. Go and push their song. So them can't get back up there. They are not the man of the mats. Adi are the man of the mats right now. All the man I do is calculate every minute, every turn, Adi turn. Adi depend some calculation. Of what if he charge you, or what if he charge you, so. On a blind? Look how the man that dominate the place, and still not give the man the credit. Eh? Who no want to give the man credit? Unless I try size up the man with artists we don't even get out here, so. With artists we not get the date them. Who are book Alkaline? On the talk about the two show them. Who is booking Alkaline? Where is the people them where book Alkaline? Not Alkaline a book himself, me I talk about. Cause we are on already say it. The show him got England a theme show. Cause him not give nobody that. New rules is Alkaline show. Alkaline don't give nobody new rules. So, where is the booking agents that is booking Alkaline? Since him are the artist thing. Him at. Alright, we are going to that. Him at. Why him not on the bookings? Oh, I still can't come with the answer yet. Don't come tell me say the man not like people. Don't come tell me say the man no want no bookings, cause every artist want bookings. Every artist would have liked for them at the seat right now.
Yeah, people, so that a one Kevin, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know when the man that issue up beating a iron card him draw fire, you know. Man, I say Alkaline now get no bookings. You can count him, show them for your one and star, yo. John, know the man, all people. Man, I say, yo, the dog to them now get no pushing on the street. But you don't know when the man there make certain point about certain thing, he might go extreme and exaggerate still, but he might have some little key takeaways where you can really take from what he might say with a little rant there, you see me? Because you don't know a fan base really push artists. So if the vendetta fan base are really a cuss and be little people on internet over this and that, as opposed to like pushing the artist song and comment on the artist tune them and make sure the artist tune them circulate through the entire fan base and it get out there, you see me? Yeah man, them things they can have a positive impact on the artist's career too, cause with that now the tune them I got hot in the street and that can correlate to more bookings for the artist, more sponsorship to the artist event them when I keep on them things, you see me? Yeah, so at that me feel him really should have, you know, break down the nitty-gritty of instead of, you know, I say certain things, but you know the man they go to work, the man they go use exaggeration and beating and, you know, yeah, but if I really look and see say, yo, them things that can help the artist too, so there's a little takeaway from that. Yeah man, so now where I check out Neako Fire people, he might make some comment on the Vybz Kartel and the Spice. You see me, the little situation I go on stage where they are Jersey. Yeah man, it's a good look still, but where are you him I say?
So Vybz Kartel and Spice boss big kiss on stage. Their bass not going over there. But I want to me have to say, I remember a few months ago, I come to one and tell me say Vybz Kartel and Spice have a chemistry with a normal. Them can they literally can be a couple. When you see them kiss now, it all start make sense. The man we used to woman can understand when a woman find a man attractive, you know. Them act certain way and them move certain way and them do things different, you see me? Me did notice that. Me always notice that, but this proves that me never wrong. Yeah man. And you boss say, man say if you never want the kiss, you shouldn't come so close. Yo, me feel like something going on in the future, you know. Me feel like the Kartel and Spice are gonna do something in the future, man. Them are gonna be the royalty for dancehall. Look like them are gonna them, man. Remember say Spice now no man, you know. Spice now no man. Things look like something are gonna happen, man. But me know one time already, now cuss me. Me used to the cussing, but something are gonna happen. See kiss start there and then after kiss what happen next. I want to figure it out. Big up on yourself, teacher. Spice, big up yourself, because you know I love you. Teacher, big up yourself. You want to do the right thing. man too, man.
Yeah, people say, man, say a dancer, royalty, the king and the queen, Kartel and Spice. Yeah, man, is a good look man to woman, you know? Yeah, man, but you know, say Kartel and Spice have the chemistry there for a long time, you know, people. That's why we get Ramping Shop and them hit song, the Conjugal Visit, one of them hit song there. Yeah, man, till this day. Back way, yeah, man, you see me? One of them hit song there. So, you know, say that connection there from a long time. So, you have to understand that it's a musical connection and that bring forth its song as well. It translates into the performance. You saw me I did. I have to remember the end of the day is a performance. So nonetheless, I have to still stay and just entertain the people them. So when I say them things that go up on stage.
Fresh drop.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, so you know, so you have to do it. I'm telling you, it's a part of the performance. Yeah, man, it's just like when I watch a movie, you have to see certain actors interact certain way, and in a reality, the actor them don't involve in each other life. It's just a movie. Them just a portray a performance, entertainment. Yeah, man, as a DJ said.
Hold on. Who are the people them understand? See, we and Spice are come from far, from Port Bodies. When you see me and woman work, I think, please the crowd, entertainment. So, you know what I mean? So don't get it as a disrespectful thing, say, we all see them there now. Work, we are work.
I'm not chicken we are sure.
I'm not chicken, we are sure. And when we go home, next to them, work. You hear me?
So you hear the teacher reason of people. He might make the fans them know clear. So anytime you see him and Spice on stage and interact certain way, it's just a performance. It's just for the fans themselves. You see what I did? Because you don't know Kartel and Spice, them sing raunchy music. So a man and woman music. So close markings are got involved and look a rub up and hug up and look a kiss up are got involved. Because you don't know a man and woman thing. You see it? So you can expect that. It's a performance. You don't know, it's like a movie as me explain to you. You see what I did? The actors are not involved in a real life, they just put on a show to entertain the people them, basically. And a teacher said that too. It's like a movie. Girl, you understand? You say I did. Say that's a show up on stage. Oh it go. You say I did? Yeah man, I saw it for go the real way. So now we have to check out the reasoning from one in class. Yeah man, the general I say you youth them a go to school nowadays, them can't read on a certain level. You say I did big high school and them say I read like third grader. Yo, Jano, check out the reasoning people.
The pitney them cannot read. A report came out in the Gleaner that in a local Jamaican high school, 70% of the first form students were reading at a third grade level. At another high school, 200 of the 203 first formers could not write out the word 850. Depending on them can't read. And what's worse is the parents cannot read either. Illiteracy and early childhood development is not a result of stupidity or the child being dunce. More often than not, it is a sign of neglect and child abuse. The pitney them not being able to read is not a new phenomenon. The pitney them parents cannot read either, nor can the pitney them grandparents. Have you ever wondered why some of them take so long in the ATM? Have you ever wondered why so many of them don't even have bank accounts? Them can't read. However, the only way forward is not through shame and embarrassment and belittling the people. The only way forward is to encourage the children and the parents that they can learn. They can improve their lives. It's not a shame thing. It's not a mocking thing. We cannot do this through belittling, embarrassing, and speaking down to people. We can only uplift people through encouragement, proving to them that they can broaden their horizons, and it is possible if they only start now. And if they believe that they can. We need to stop beating children in them head. We need to stop shaming and mocking people. We need to embrace the dunce. The dunce are the future. The pitney them are dunce. We need to establish a fact that they don't have to be dunce. They are dunce now, but they don't have to be dunce going forward. They can believe and they can achieve. People, I'm out.
Yeah, people, so you hear one class reason they say, you must say, yo, the schoolers them read pan a certain level, yo, it no look good star, but lie. We need to get the schoolers them in tune with reading and understanding. You see what I did? You want to ensure so where you read to, you understand and you over exactly where you read say. Yeah, man, if you see yo, as a parent, your child are far behind in certain academic areas, especially English and maths, them think that the two most important thing, trust me, in today's society, you African read and you African do look maths. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide. You want to make sure you can do them four basic there out of your brain too. You see me, I did enough. You rely upon calculator and them thing there. Because most of the society think them, most of the transactions them fast paced. You want to ensure so you can move quick and calculate where you calculate. You see me, I did. Yeah, man, you want to get on a reading level and understanding level of an adult or a tertiary student. Yeah, man, as a high schooler, you have to depend on them level there, yo. You don't know because you have the future. You see me, the future have to look bright. I'm agreed one class I say we can't shame the youth them too. We have to embrace them and make them know say yo, it's okay if you be at the level where you're at, but we can do further. You see me, I did. Yeah, man, check out your reading rainbow, check out your first year in English. You see me, I did them type of book that we usually have to run through in a school. Like, wow, you see me, get it in our brain. So we need to probably revisit the curriculum or see what them teach them at school nowadays, or provide some form of help or some form of guidance to ensure that the future look good. Yeah, man. So if you make it through to the end of the episode, people, that's why I'm big you up and tell you thanks again. Yeah, man. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Catch you in our next episode. I'm out.